Welcome to this video on auger boring and soil sampling. In this video, we'll show you the step-by-step process of how to use an auger to bore into the ground and extract soil samples for analysis. Auger boring is a common technique used in geotechnical engineering and environmental science to study the properties of the soil, and safety. Before auger, which is a spiral-shaped drill bit attached to a long metal rod. You'll also need a sturdy frame to support the auger, and a power source to rotate the auger. It's important to wear personal protective equipment, such as safety glasses, gloves, and steel-toed boots, when operating an auger. You should also make sure the area around the boring site is clear of any obstructions, and that you're not working near any underground utilities or structures. Boring procedure. Now, let's get to the boring procedure. The first step is to select the location where you want to bore into the ground. This should be based on your study objectives and the properties of the soil in the area. Once you've selected the location, mark it with a stake or flag so you know where to start boring. Next, assemble the auger and place it on the support frame. Make sure the auger is securely attached to the rod, and that the frame is stable and level. You may also need to adjust the height of the auger depending on the depth of the soil you want to sample. Now, turn on the power source and slowly rotate the auger clockwise while applying downward pressure. The spiral shape of the auger will cut into the soil and extract the cylindrical sample. Continue boring until you've reached the desired depth, or until you've collected enough samples. Soil sampling. Once you've extracted the soil sample, carefully remove the auger from the ground and place the sample in a clean, labeled container. Be sure to record the depth at which the sample was collected, as well as any visual observations about the soil, such as color, texture, and moisture content. If you need to collect multiple samples at different depths, you can attach extension rods to the auger and continue boring. Make sure to clean the auger between samples to avoid contamination.